So today we are going to be testing the Phantom's and Litchi's Follow Me feature. I don't know how well it's going to work. I haven't done it in a while. But I'm also trying to get my settings better so when I'm flying normally it doesn't fly so hard. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Let's see, okay. Well, let's see if this thing will follow me. All right, the drone seems to be following. See, can we see it in the camera? Are we that wide enough of an angle? Oh no, the thing's upside down at the moment. There we go. Okay. Got my makeshift steady cam going. See, are we gonna make it over the trees? See if I can make it go higher. Come on. Doesn't exactly seem to be precisely on me, but that much of a thing right now. You know, and of course you can't see what in the world is it doing. It's like nowhere near where I'm at. It's going all over the place. Come on, follow me. And it's at least kind of following me. I don't know how well it's actually picking me up. Let's see if does that, it will still follow. Yeah, it'll still follow me. Still coming. Just off to the side. So, yeah. Whew. Carrying this camera on the pod is heavy, but it works. I think it's probably a little bit more stable and get a little bit more weight down below, maybe slightly less bouncy, kind of a makeshift steady cam. I don't know, we'll find out how steady when we get into post. Oh, come on. And do you see it? Do you see it at all? Ah! It's been the camera. If I could run, but there's no way I'm running ever. At least not right now. Actually, I wish I kind of had my cane. Should have brought that. But this is kind of cool. Hopefully the footage comes out remotely decent. Oh, we might be picking up some wind. Come on. So it's not quite lined up. So let's see here. Let's see if I can make this a little bit better. Subject offset. I see what that is. That subject offset is angled off how far that direction. Let's see if I make myself a little bit taller. If I make myself 9'8", so I'm going to be 9'8" right now. That'll be interesting. Okay. I've always wanted to be 9'8". Let's not let the camera fall. Okay. All right. Let's see, is it going to track me any better this time? Yeah, I seem to be actually a little bit more in the center of the view, though it's still kind of behind me. Let's see. Let's put that setting back down to 0. Let's see. Oh no, that's on 1 degree, so. I don't know why it doesn't center me precisely, because, I mean, oh heck, I'm just like barely off in the corner now. I mean, like, the image where the map is supposed to be is where I am. I don't know why it's so wrong. If I can get it to come back onto me. Right? What are you doing now? Whatever it is you're doing, don't worry about it. The drone is out of control. I have no idea what it's doing right now. And it's about, maybe it'll crash? No? Wow. It's flying really well and very out of control. I have no control right now. There we go. Oh, that was interesting. GPS is really at the moment. considering what was just going on. Hopefully I recorded all of that insanity. Don't know why. That was weird. It just lost control and it dropped down to a couple inches off the ground and started flying all over the places. Hopefully we were able to capture some of that, of it flying all over. Weird. Very, very strange. Anyways, I suppose that'll make for an interesting vlog for the day. So, may the chaos of your existence be beneficial.